Multiplicity is really a design language that is refined and sculpturally dynamic, that goes from benches to bike racks, tables, path lights, and litter bins. So Kirk, we started on this 2.5 years ago, and I thought when I first visited Landscape Forms, everything was done locally. Landscape Forms is a true sort of American business with craft and manufacturing close by. So that got me really excited about what we could do together. This was going to be Landscape Forms' first international product.
The goal has always been to create a mass-produced piece of furniture that has the ability to be regionally specific.
You know, you look at these objects and they're large. They have to survive the environment. They have to be there for a long time. We're not going to ship all this wood of this size. So we started to think about a system made of brackets and then different woods, different materials, different colors. It has both sort of the power to be local, but it also is very efficient through shipping the intelligence, through shipping the brackets, and then the woods are made locally.
The forms are very compelling. And the way they play with light and shadow is stunning.
So what makes this special as a casting is the section that changes from flat, where it holds the wood, to curved. Down here we have a bracket that allows for attaching the piece. So it nicely hides the bracketing and the fastening to the ground. When you look at the bench, it looks just like it's floating. Because the system is composed of brackets and seating elements, it's really up to the designer to decide whether some of these pieces turn out asymmetrical, you know, what length they are, how they connect with each other. If this wasn't a straight line, it would be harder for us to have that conversation. But as this bench turns, it kind of brings people together. I really love those kind of choices. For me, like, that's probably what architects and designers, you know, will find motivating about this. We're always thinking about these kind of magical moment of functionality. When I get to a bike rack, here I can put your equipment on the stands. It's easy to lock, and off you go.
You know, you're solving a problem that people kind of deal with daily, but aren't really aware of it.
I really wanted Multiplicity to be a tool for others to be creative. What I love is the idea that we create objects and tools, and then they get used in ways that are even more creative than we could ever have thought about. In a way, you know, we're shipping an idea, and then people are realizing it.